Hello friends, welcome to Daring Marani YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about why concentric springs are fitted for auxiliary engine head. Why the concentric springs are fitted in an auxiliary engine or alternator head. So let's discuss about this topic. So what are the possible reasons? So concentric springs are help to open and close suction exhaust valve. You know that concentric spring means they help to open and close suction and exhaust valve. So what are the reason for concentric spring in the exhaust and suction valve will be? If one spring fail, valve will be held up by the other spring. So natural, simple logic we can say. If there is two concentric spring, both help for open and close the suction valve. Then why using means if one spring fails, then valve will be held up by other spring, and so the thickness of spring can be reduced if two are using. Then reduce the space required for one large spring. Yes, of course, if you use one large spring with half size, we can use two, so the space will be reduced. Okay, when frequency due to natural vibration of spring is in harmonic with camshaft speed, that spring may vibrate and axially and surge. So this can be avoided by using different size spring one inside another. Okay, here like I said concentric spring, so both springs will be of different size. That means due to frequency of natural vibration, a resonance will happen in the harmonic with the camshaft speed. So the spring may vibrate axially and surging will be there. This can be avoided by using different size spring one inside the other. Then to avoid this, side thrust exciter on the spring. One spring is left-handed, other spring will be right-handed. So that resultant thrust will be zero. This is also the important features by concentric spring is using means to avoid side thrust exciter on the spring. One spring will be left-handed, other spring will be right-handed. So that resultant thrust will be equal to zero. This is what happened in the case of a concentric spring. Thank you.